How to set only admin can send messages in WhatsApp group. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set only admin can send messages in WhatsApp group. To set a WhatsApp group so that only admins can send messages, you will need to simply follow these steps. To do so, first of all, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this homepage. Now here you will need to navigate to the group chat where you are an admin. Simply tap on the group name and then you will reach inside it. Now in this chat page, simply tap on the group name at the top to open the group info page. Or you may also tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen and then select group info option from this menu that appears. Now once you reach to this page, here you will need to tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen. By doing so, a pop-up menu will appear. Now from here, select Group Permissions option. Once you tap on it, here you will be presented with the permission related to the group. Now from here, you will need to find the section Members Scan and inside it, look for the Send Messages option. Here currently, the toggle button at the right side of this option is turned on, which means the group members are able to send messages in this group. Now once you turn it off, they will no longer send messages in this group. Only you or the admin can send the messages here. Simply tap on the toggle button at the right side of it in order to disable it. After that, you can simply come back to the previous page and then in this page here you will be able to see WhatsApp has notified all the group members about this change. After this, non-admin participants will see a message field replaced with a note saying only admins can send messages. So by following these steps, you should be able to set only admin can send messages in WhatsApp group. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.